How do you get faster at cutting hair? Before I get into the fade, I'm going to show you a couple steps that I'm going to be going over. It's all about having a good system in place and understanding how you're going to be cutting. Whenever I go to make my different guidelines, I'm going to have the lever all the way open, and I'm going to create each guideline with the lever open. Then whenever I go to erase each guideline, I'm going to close the lever halfway. And then to completely take the line out, I'm going to close it all the way. And I'm going to do that process within each section. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing's going to be with the blade lever all the way open to create my first section. So like I said, my first section is going to be created with the lever all the way open. So now that I created that section, I'm going to close my lever about halfway, and I'm going to start fading out that bottom line. So I want you to notice that I'm not going all the way up towards the line. I'm sitting about halfway within the section with my lever halfway closed. So now I have the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to be right at the line now. And that should pretty much eliminate the whole line completely out. So on this next part, I'm going to go fairly fast. So I'm going to begin with my number 1 with the lever all the way open. Then I'm going to close the lever halfway and stay halfway within that next section. Then I'm going to go ahead and close it and be right at the line. Then after that, I know that the line isn't going to be completely eliminated. So I'm going to use a half guard to go between the 0 and the number 1. Lever all the way open, create my next section. Halfway. Completely closed. Now the half guard. Okay. So now with my 1.5 guard, lever all the way open. Close it halfway. All the way closed. And that section is pretty much faded out. So of course, by going through your system really fast, it's not going to leave it perfect. It's still going to be little imperfections here and there. But what that allows you to do is to go through the whole system, create your fade, and you can concentrate on doing everything else. Then at the end, you can go back and detail a little bit more for the last 10 minutes, and it's really going to be popping off. And there you have it. Like I said, it's all about understanding your system. As long as you know where to place your lever at, where to place your guidelines at, where to start fading at, where to change out the guard, you're really going to be able to get faster. But it's all about knowing in what areas and at what time to use a different guard and different length of your clipper. Always keep in mind that cutting hair is just like taking a test. Whenever you get stuck on a problem, skip it and come back to it later.